What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna give y'all a couple seconds to do that. Okay, we all subscribed now, so let's get into it. Okay, let's get into the unboxing, which y'all came to see. Today, we got some New Balances. It's a New Balance box. In case y'all didn't know, mainly the 990s and stuff be in this box. For some rare reason, it don't have the color up in the tag right here, but it's fine. I got my size 11. All right, let's get into this. Bam, the 990 V5s, blue crabs. I like this. Look at the material, it's so premium on there. Oh my god, look at that suede. And this right here is like a sky blue right here where the mesh is. It's like a sky blue. You got your royal blue, then you got your red right here. Got like a little grayish green right here on the heel of the shoe. Yeah, these is tough though. I even like the fade right here. Man, I like these blue crabs. Ortholite sole. American made right there. Pretty dope shoe. $175 is definitely worth it. I mean, you can look and see, you know, what I got right here. This is premium material. Premium. So y'all stop being scared to spend money with New Balance. I might just sign a deal. I might just have my custom shoe come out or something. I don't know. We'll see what the future holds. But yeah, definitely y'all should check these out. It was a 2-pack. It was these and the Mambo sauce, which is the red ones. That's for all my DMV people. They got their little sauce over there, like a hot sauce or some sort. I don't know. Pretty dope though. But these blue crabs right here definitely got me on the team. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to throw these on ASAP. But I just love this color scheme. Definitely worth the $175. I'm gonna have them in the description where you can buy them at, because a lot of sizes sold out as far as on Foot Locker, Finish Line. They don't have a lot of these sizes. Link in the description where you can buy them at. Make sure y'all click on there and buy these joints. I mean, definitely worth the money. I'm gonna give y'all an on foot of these joints, so y'all can let me know how y'all feel about them. Leave a comment. Let me know if you like them, if you don't, if they worth the money or if they not. I mean, it's up to you. You let me know in the comments. So I'm gonna give y'all this on foot, and then I'm gonna be out after that.